What's the tyre of choice?
We're going with a assegai on the front and a DHR2 on the rear. I've never ran a DHR2 on the rear, so we're trying it for some fast rolling. These are downhill casings, so they're tough.
Is that how you do it?
Huh?
Is that how you do it?
Yeah. Probably not. Go. How tight do you do that? Just till it kind of stops.
Yeah.
Why?
Trying to get my knowledge up.
Just that tight.
So this is the complete build, finished up by Scouse at the bike shop. This is the all new Norco Range. I think it matches up really well. The green kind of all ties in well together. We've got obviously the green frame, the green DVO, and then VR1 built some pretty cool hoops with Industry 9 hubs down here. Nice little green nipples next to the valves. So overall, I'm stoked on it. First impressions are, I mean, it looks beefy, definitely chunkier than the older range. The previous range that they did, can't get that anymore, so this is basically taking replacement of that. Obviously, of course, we've got the high pivot, so significant difference all in all as far as the looks of the bike, the geometry, and how it's going to work. So I'm stoked on it. Not even swung a leg over it yet, but we do have plans for that. So a couple testing videos from Fort William that are coming, and then hopefully get to Wales and do some stuff there. So it's very exciting. I'm going to work hard on this bike to develop it and basically come in as fast and as strong as I can for the French EWS. So that's the goal. I'm excited on it. Looks good. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let me know your opinions. What do you think of it? Give the video a like. And there's somebody coming, so we're going to wrap it up. Make sure you subscribe. And thanks for watching. Big doggy. What do you think? Oh.